This is an AI agent tasked with autonomously finding and researching 5 enthusiastic participants of the recent AI Conference 2024. And today we're going to be going through the tool that made it work, all in Relevance AI. Hey, welcome back to another episode of I Built Something at 2 a.m. because manual research is for sad bean juice drinkers. I'm showing you all what's possible. Let's make relevance useful. So, we're adding another tool to our arsenal. This one is special. It finds people who've recently posted on LinkedIn about any event or company that you care about. Why? Because knowing who's excited enough to post about something is valuable information. Let's break down these tool inputs and then we'll get into the agent. So up here at the very top we have 2 agent settings. If you remember from my video back then, these are the human inputs. This excluded words input contains things that we don't want in our search results. So because jobs and careers aren't very useful to our cause at the moment, they're being excluded. Over here, since we want all our results to come from LinkedIn, we're making sure that all our search results have LinkedIn in their URL. Now we go on to the agent, the robot inputs. So the search query input is going to be our event of choice. The index of start. So all this means is, for example, if this were a 10, then you'd exclude the first 10 results and return everything afterwards. At the moment, we'll stick with 0 for this. Now this over here, this is the number of search results. This is how many things you actually want. Maximum of 100, so we'll put in 100 for that. And the number of months recency is how recent the search results should actually be. So if you don't want out-of-date results, the smaller this number is, the more recent your results are going to be. Going down to the Python steps. So these are the tool steps that make everything work. The process is beautifully simple. This Python code takes all the information from above and turns it into a Google URL that you can actually, if you put this in a search bar, you'd actually search up all the relevant information. And this is exactly what we're doing here with our extract website content step. So over here we have all these search results of all these people that we found. And now we just use this last Python step to wrap it up in a neat little list over here and give this back to the agent. We'll see there's some info there, and all of this is for the agent to use. Now, what Bob is doing when our research agent Bob looks at it, it's going to look at some of these, pick 5, and do some research on all of them. Let's go over to Bob. Going back to Bob, we can see there's been some modifications to the core instructions. Pretty much all it needs to do is find the enthusiastic posters using the tool we just made. And we pick 5 of the interested people to do research on. And then using only the Google search tool, research about them a bit and create a research report. And that's it. Suspiciously easy. The links to download both the agent and the tool are going to be down below. And if you need to know who's genuinely excited about any particular event or company, well, now you have an AI agent for that. Use it wisely. See you around.